Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, today is 14th of March and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page here, you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 16,633.70. That is only 0.02% change. So not much of a volatile opening here. So you can say almost the same opening here as the previous close. So advanced stocks at 21, declines at 23, and unchanged is 6 stock. So as I said you, it's a bit of an range bounded opening. So coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is SDFC Bank with 1.30% up and IFC with 0.93% up. And coming to the stocks which are opening in the maximum gap down section, that is SBI Life with 1.09% down and Kotak Bank with 1% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stocks and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. To short sell Intelco in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. We'll be selling in the market level now. the Indelco came down, so it made a low of almost 578.5. So I took my exit somewhere around there and booked almost like 3 points. So we took the exit, and this was the profit what I was able to book during the today's trade of Indelco. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.